Hi, it's Jaleesa from Gate 39 Media, and today I'll be sharing tips on how you can create marketing videos like a pro. Before the lights, camera, and action, determine the goal of your video by asking yourself these two questions. Number 1, what do we want this video to inspire people to do? This is you defining your call to action. And number 2, what resources do we have available to create this video? Depending on your budget, you can invest in some equipment. A tripod will maintain a steady, static shot. Ring lights have different filters that flatter and draw attention to the subject. And a mic will reduce background noise and ensure high quality sound. For more tips and tricks on video marketing, check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.